Hello everyone, this is Sheetal and welcome back to brand new video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy ring platter. For that, let's begin with the material. So for that, what all you will require. So these are the white half cut pearls which I'll be using for the decoration. Then this is a pearl lace. This is a sari lace which I'll be using. This is an antique golden. I'm not fond of a very flashy gold, so I mostly use this antique gold. Then hot glue gun for sure. Then glue stick. Then I'll be using these flowers. So these are foam flowers. I conduct workshops for how to make these foam flowers. If you are interested, you can get in touch with me. So I'll be using these flowers. If you don't have these flowers, you can use any other flowers from the market or easily available with you in your local markets. I'll be using that. And then this is some green foliage, which this is a plastic. These are ready-made, so I'll be using some of them if required. It's not mandatory. If required, I'll be using these. Then this is a wire cutter, so I can cut these flower stems. Then I'll be using these bushes, plastic bushes. Then this is a fabric glue, a good pair of scissors. This is again a satin paper, golden satin paper, and this is a 10-inch MDF. This is 4 mm. You can use 4 mm, 6 mm, whatever available. What I'll do, I'll place Amazon link in the description for you guys to get satin paper, glue gun, glue sticks, then pearl lace and half cut pearl, this white pearls, and yeah, let's get, and these bushes also. So let's get started. First I'll take my fabric glue and I'll just put it here. Then I'll take my paper and I'll place it upside down, that is the golden part downside, and I'll just add this here. So this portion, this is the back side, and I have already covered this just for the time's sake. I have already covered this with the pink satin paper. In satin paper you get a very beautiful vibrant colors like pink, this fuchsia pink, then red, golden, firozi, then there's a bottle green. Even the bottle green color looks really amazing. I'll show you the project with bottle green because that looks really something beautiful. And once it's done, I'll take my scissor and I'll start cutting. I'm keeping my scissor along the edge of the circle so that I get really nice smooth edges. And if you can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly or not, I'm not moving my scissor, I'm moving my circle. Whenever you are cutting any circular shape, don't move your scissor, move your object, your paper or your base, whatever it is. Okay, so now that we are done with this, we'll start placing these bushes. So I'm just my hot glue gun is not yet completely done, so I'm not, it's just randomly I'm placing. So this is done. We got our legs, and now what I'll do, I'll start sticking balls. So I'm just applying a glue, wet glue, and I'll start placing my half cut balls here. I'll be sticking half cut balls till this 1/3 of my circle. So now like this I'm almost done with my pearl border. The last one goes here. Now I'll keep these pearls aside. Okay, what I'll first do, I'll just take my wet glue and put some of the drops like here and there, and then I'll start placing these half cut pearls on top of it. Two, three, four. I'm just placing randomly these pearls. Perfect. Now once this is done, what I'll do, I'll place hot glue here on the edge. I'll take my moti lace and I'll start sticking. I'll stick my pearls, this golden pearl, all over the entire border. Guys, if you like all my videos, please do subscribe my channel. It just motivates me to make some more videos. If you need any help, you can just comment below and let me know. Now these all pearls are set properly, and I'll take these two foam flowers of mine. Oh, so much of mess. And I'll just place them like this, and I'll take one wire and just wrap around on another wire. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. And just 3-4 circles are good enough. Okay. So same I'll be doing with these. So 1, and this is 2, and this is the wire, and I'll just wrap around. Perfect. I'll do the same for these, or I'll just keep these like that only. If we need something here and there, so we'll think about it. And these are another 4 flowers. Only these flowers were not, I was not liking only these flowers, this color. So I took these flower, and we'll take some of these greens, and I'll just start placing randomly so that these greens will give me some base. Foliage always gives you a nice full look for your floral arrangement. So I like adding some foliages here and there. Now I'll just cut this excess. Lots of glue so that my flower will stick properly, and then what I'll do, I'll fold this. I'm not going to cut these wires, I'm just folding these wires so that I get a little broad base and to stick and hold the glue properly. Once these are secure here, then I'll get some more flowers here. And while doing this, I'll also arrange my foliage. I just don't want to hide all of my foliage. I'll just stop here. I'm not adding any more, or should I? add two more flowers, one bunch here, and we are done. Once you are done with this, all you have to add is your ring stands. For this, I'll add these two bushes. And one will be placed directly on the surface. So this is how your ring platter will look like once this is done. Guys, please do comment below and let me know how you liked this ring platter, and also let me know if you want to look for some particular videos, or do you like me to show you some more videos about ring platters and wedding trays and all that stuff. So do let me know. We do have a trousseau packing course coming up, so stay tuned for more details. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.